Good morning students. Today we will move ahead and continue with our new method to draw fixture, that is cyclic method, or sometimes we call it as fixed method. Right. Let number of teams is 5. Okay. That is given and you are asked to draw fixture of these 5 number of teams by cyclic or fixed method only. First, as you know, the number of teams is equal to 5. Okay, now next step is to calculate the number of rounds here, right? Number of rounds will be equal to the number of teams given, right? As we are having odd number of teams, in odd cases the number of round will be equal to the number of teams given here, right? So we are having 5 number of rounds here. If we move ahead, we will calculate the number of matches in this fixture. Number of matches will be calculated by following the same formula that we use in league fixtures to calculate the number of matches, right? And by following this, we will get 10 number of matches, right? Now we have to arrange teams for rounds. For every round the arrangement of team will differ there. So for first round, let me make it clear to you. You have to arrange teams like this in an anti-clockwise direction, but you have to leave a first place in odd cases, and that too for the by. I will fix by there at the first position, right? This is by. So it shows that in round 1 we are having the match between 1 and 4, 2 and 3, but team number 5 is having by there, right? Now for round 2, by will be kept at the same place again. By will be kept at the same place, but position of rest of the teams gets changed by one step in anti-clockwise direction, like this. As you can see, the place occupied by the team number 1 in previous round is occupied by the team number 5 here. Similarly, the position of teams is changed to the position occupied by the teams next to them. For every round you have to follow the same procedure to arrange the teams. In round 3, by will be kept at the same place again. Okay, the position of teams get changed again in the same manner, but with respect to the round number 2 now. Okay, as you can see in round number 2, the place is occupied by the team number 5 is now occupied by the team number 4 in round 3, right? If we follow same pattern, similarly for round 4, change in the position of the teams take place by one step by considering the previous round only, right? In round number 5, it will appears like this. The arrangement of the teams will be appear like this. As we move ahead in the round, the position of the teams get changed by one step with respect to the previous round, right? So we have completed all the 5 rounds till now. As you can see that all the teams, every team is getting bye once only in this tournament. In round 1 team number 5 get bye, in round 2 team number 4 get bye, there in round 3 team number 3 is getting bye, in 4th round team number 2 is having bye, and in 5th round team number 1 is having bye here. You can check it by making the check round also. This you can make for your assurance whether you have make the fixture correct or not, right? You can check your fixture here. If in check around the position of the teams get exact similar to the round number 1, it means your fixture is correct, right? As you can see, the round number 1 and round number 6 resembles to each other. I mean, it appears like similar. The position of the teams is similar there. That means we have done it correctly, right?